Hello everyone. So I have an Apple Watch. If you've had an Apple Watch for any period of time, you may have noticed how easy it can be to scratch or ding it or anything like that. Ever since my Apple Watch 3, I believe it was, I had an issue where I was just walking along and I got a scrape and yeah, anyways, so ever since then I started using a case on my Apple Watch. I like them because they're pretty innocuous. They don't really take up that much extra space, especially if you get like a clear one. It looks pretty decent. As you can see, I've got a pretty good crack in this case. Hopefully it is just the case. So today what we're going to do is just replace the case that I have here on my Apple Watch Series 6. So we'll go ahead and just take that off first. It's looking like it's just the case that's cracked, which is good. And then I've got these cases from Tauri. They're relatively inexpensive. It's like 10 bucks and you get 2 of them. And one of these cases usually will last about a year. So it's not a bad deal considering, you know, what you get and the protection, I should say, that you get with this. So we'll go ahead and take one of them out. You can see we've got another one in there as well. The one thing you'll want to do though before you put the new case on is just make sure that you clean your existing Apple Watch. And I use lens wipes. I've got glasses, so that's what I use. Definitely don't use Lysol wipes or anything like that, but glasses cleaners, screen cleaners usually work really well. So, and you're going to want to get all around there because you're not going to take this thing off for a while. So basically looking like new. So awesome. So all we're going to do now is we're going to take this and go take that off. And then we put this piece on first. And then that snaps right on. And now we're good to go. And my Apple Watch is protected and that won't happen again, at least not for a while, I hope. So I'll leave a link down in the description for this guy. This is not sponsored. I've just really liked them. They've worked very well for me over the years. If you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll leave, like I said, a link to this down in the description if you are interested. So with that, have a great day.